magic show. That's what I'm really here for. So watch close or I might disappear.
不停不停，王八眼睛。
大家都以为我了，其实我只是在倒了一趟。
I'm at Wanlou Youth Pier, a Wanlou Tower, revitalization of the city going on.
社牛时间到。表演时间到。
Wow. Hey, buddy, so what do you think of this place so far, huh? Are you having fun? Huh? I think you're full of hot air. I think it's going to get really crowded tonight.
这都被你猜到了。
What I love that happens in China, unlike some other countries, like in America, they'll put on some youth event. But in China, they try to mix in not only the new things that the kids will come to, but try to mix it together with some traditional, ancient knowledge and history. Here in Xiangtan.